Hey everybody. To say this has been a while would be an understatement for sure, but we're have been turning all along. Just been busy with shows and my day job and stuff like that. So throwing a video online is not high on the list, it seems like a lot of times. So, but we did it today, and I want to show you. I made a little salt cellar with a swivel top and incorporated little magnets. Right here is a latch, and then I have a steel dowel pin to swivel on. Seems a little bit large maybe, but it is 2 levels. So it's basically a salt and pepper cellar for cooking. This was a request from a customer that they'd like to do, have one stacked on top of each other if doable. So these I have done quite often, but to do this was just to add another lidded box to the equation, and I thought it really turned out well. This is turned from Mahogany, and beautiful wood. I don't know if you can see all the details of the grain, but that's a beautiful piece of wood there. So anyway, a stackable salt cellar, salt and pepper cellar with a swivel head, magnets, and a swivel one with the dowel. So anyway, this is how we did it. Thanks for watching.